Today we're going to be setting up two-factor authentication on your Microsoft Office 365 account in 4 quick steps. Now you're going to say to myself, why do I need this enabled? I'm going to tell you why. Let's say, you use the same password with Target as your credit card login or your Gmail email account password, you use the same password for a lot of things. Then you definitely want two-factor authentication enabled. Even if you have a strong password. Enable two-factor because if that password gets compromised somehow from a breach or whatever, they have that password now and they can use it to log into your account. And it's kind of like a two-factor. It's like having two passwords. So you get a text message on your phone, or it's better to have like an Authy app or a Google Authenticator, or Microsoft has their own authenticator to get that 6-digit PIN to log in. So let's dive right in and get started. The step one is going to be going to obviously the Office 365 login page like we have here, and then let's go ahead and log in, and then we'll move on to step two. Okay, once you log in, you should get a screen similar to this, or you might get directed to your email right away. So step two is going to be copying this link, and it's going to take you right to the page we want to get to. So this is a quick, easy way to get to that page, which is mysignins.microsoft.com/security-info. So if you just go to that in your URL, so just remove office.com in there and just put in that URL, it'll take you right to the page we're looking for. Okay, so once you get to this page, you're going to want to click on Add Method, and then we're going to get a drop down of a method to add. So what that means is like we can get a text message, an email, we can create an app password. I mean, you have so many options, but the most secure method is going to be that Authenticator app. So you're going to want to use Authy, the Microsoft Authenticator, Google Authenticator, and that's going to generate on your phone within that app a 6-digit code every time you log into your Office 365 account. So that's going to be your most secure method because if you use text messaging, the attacker could maybe compromise that somehow by cloning your SIM. I mean, there's other attacks to do that. But if you prefer text messaging, then go with that. As long as you have some kind of two-factor authentication, that's all I'm trying to get across here. So we're going to click on Authenticator app and hit Next. Now you're going to want to pull your phone out and make sure you have either Google Authenticator, Authy, or the Microsoft one and scan this QR code. Mine's grayed out, of course, because I don't want anyone else having my two-factor authentication code. So go ahead and get your phone out and scan that QR code, and then it'll add that 6-digit generation code within that app. Once you hit finish, you're going to get back to this page. Now I highly recommend adding a second method because let's say your phone gets lost, damaged, you can't log into your two-factor authentication app, you're screwed. So then you're going to want to go through add method again, select phone, and then put in your phone number so you have that as a backup method. Or there's other options there, your email, things like that. So add a second method. 2 methods is better than having just one. I hope this video helps some people out there, and if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.